Welcome back, JDM fam. In today's video, we're going to be installing a roof spoiler on the 2011 second gen Lexus IS250. Here's the 2IS right here, guys. We've been slowly adding to it and making it better and better. We have the splitter, diffuser, intake, muffler, resonator delete. We've done a few different things. We're about to add on this beautiful roof spoiler, guys. It's going to look really good. It looks even better in the sun. This is what it looks like, guys. Really good looking roof spoiler. Not the one that I actually wanted, though. I mean, it is great. It looks really good, but the one that I had on my 3IS had like fiberglass underneath to support it and kind of hold it onto the rear window a little bit better. I mean, this one will probably hold really well as long as we have some really good double-sided tape on here, which we will. And it does look really good. It's kind of a hollow design, which I'm not a big fan of. As you can see right here, like most things, a lot of carbon that you buy, unless it's made in the US or Taiwan or something, it's made in China. It says dry carbon made in China. So this is what it looks like, guys. We're going to test fit it really quick, see what it looks like on the 2IS. So let's go over the 2IS. Just as a really quick test fit, and it is really windy out here, probably not the best time to install this. That is what it's going to look like for the most part. That actually looks really good. So let me lift you guys up, let you guys see what it's going to look like. That looks so good. That actually looks a lot better than I even was expecting. And it does look really good and really clean, as long as the double-sided tape really holds down the sides. I really hope it does. I really like it. Gonna have to ceramic wax this when I'm done to make sure that this thing stays looking shiny, because this car does sit out a lot. So really hope that it holds in the automatic car wash as well. But that's what it looks like, guys. I don't know if you guys can see the bottom right here, how it lines up with the window. It looks really good. So it's about time we install it right now. So I'm going to take it off, clean it up, going to clean the roof spoiler with some rubbing alcohol as well as the rear window. Make sure it's really clean, then we'll install this. So a few things you're going to need if you are installing a roof spoiler or window visors or anything. Some rubbing alcohol, as well as some 3M double-sided tape and a razor blade, just so you can cut it. This is VHB 3M double-sided tape. This stuff holds so good, and I'm a big fan of this stuff. I use this stuff on my canards on the Type R, and they're still holding on great. So definitely a fan of these, and I use this anytime I can on exterior mods. Alright, so we got some double-sided tape installed on this. All we need to do now is just clean the window. I didn't do the best job, and my double-sided tape was cut up really bad. I think I was installing something else and just using a razor blade straight onto these layers and just cutting them. So the layers underneath were cut up. Doesn't really matter. It actually helps with this project because it does bend, so less creases, less folds and everything. And it does look really good. So now that this double-sided tape is on, and it looks like it is on there really good, it's time to wipe down the window back here. I'm just gonna go over the areas, obviously, that the roof spoiler is going to sit at. All of the edges up here, wipe it down really good, just basically this whole area, and then we'll start installing. Let's go. right, guys, so it's done. It looks really good, and I can't be any happier. If you guys look at the corners, it actually fits this rear window so good, so perfect on both sides, and it just looks so clean. So if you guys look at the edges, it actually fits the window so well, and it looks really aggressive. Adds a little bit of an aggressive look for the roof up here. And with the trunk lip right here, little trunk spoiler, and then the roof spoiler up here, it looks really good. And then on a really nice day, have the sunroof popped up. It just adds a little bit more aggressiveness to the roof, makes it look a little bit better. And I mean, who doesn't like carbon? Carbon anything. Unless it's like something tacky or something. Basically anything carbon is really cool, and it just changes the look of the side profile on this 2IS, guys. Check it out. It looks really good. So obviously carbon fiber exterior mods always add a little bit of aggressiveness, and during the day, guys, when the sun's actually on this, it's gonna really pop and look so good. This will block the sun from the seats a little bit, protect your seats and your passengers, as well as just make it look more aggressive. Waxing it really quick, just to make sure it's protected from the sun. Hydro Slick chemical, guys. Ceramic coating, Hyper Wax. Let's go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next video.